Hello, this is the one of Nico, the cat. Ouch. It's dangerous. Enjoy. Doesn't. Hey, what's this? To the next level. Passing hands.
No. Don't touch. No.
Passing hands.
No. It's gonna bite you.
Take it away, y'all. Be staying asleep. Sorry. Now making something noise. Just like hello? What are you doing?
Mesdames et messieurs, prepare to embark, s'il vous plaît. Embark on what? Les bons méthodes, les bons idées.
Yes.
Show this thing is safe, okay? Safe-ish would be what I mean. Step forward, please. Tom and Jerry? No, you must be imagining things, John.
Yes!
Say hi, ate.
Hi! Oh, I did pee.
Yeah, ate Pipi.
Oh, are you 9 years old?
Are you 9 years old ba daw?
Red, did you just took our haircut? What? I'm taking a photo of you now.
Daw, kuan daw, kung 9 years old ka ba daw?
Yes.
How did you know, Red?
Because I go out to city side, I guess. Now it's
No, that's my...
it's clear morning now. It's now clear. It's clear morning now. 7 years old.
No, he's 6.
So 6.
Oh, but turning 7. He'll turn 7 first. Yeah, in January.
And chill.
Yeah.
You can't see me because the phone is freaking broken.
I
I just
Ate Priam said if you took a haircut. Did you take a haircut?
I
You
don't know.
cut your hair? Nobody cut your hair?
A blow was out. Hello, I was trying to say the radio. Okay.